I'm sorry, a number of ways I wanted to start this vlog. None of them made it. They're stuck right here. How you guys doing? I know how you're doing. It is crazy right now, isn't it? Okay, more of that on another vlog. I'm just glad you took time to check in here. I know a lot of people are at home right now. You're spending more time on your phones in front of the computers. I spent a little bit of time playing Wii bowling with my daughter and my son Ryan the other night. I mean, when it comes to regular bowling, I'm really not that bad of a bowler, but when it comes to Wii bowling, I suck. They kicked my butt. Both of them did. My daughter just starts laughing. It's just fun. So yeah, this is a time to spend a little bit more time with the family. Of course, I haven't been home as much as I want to, but I think I'm going to be forced to have more time at home than we all want to. Again, more on that for future discussions as we're staying positive and moving forward. As I said, tomorrow, it's Sunday. That means it's our Coffee with Conti show. And this Sunday is going to be a C8 Sunday. Arrivals, deliveries. But right now, what I have for you, just some little things. Very little things on the C8 2020 mid-engine Corvette. Starting to get some C8 mid-engine Corvettes in, I'm starting to notice some little things, like how the seatbelt fastens. This is how it fastens if you get a GT1 seat. Here's what it looks like if you get a GT2 seat. And here's what it looks like on your GT2 seat in your competition sport. Kind of nice how that just releases like that. Easy to get that seatbelt in and out if you need to. All right, what you're hearing right now is the standard sounding exhaust. I'm going to open it up in just a moment so you can hear what the performance exhaust sounds like. Notice how that tone dropped just a little bit. I wanted you to hear it at idle, so it's a comparable. Check out the taillights when you guys push your lock button. That cool? That's so cool. Take a look at the headlights when you hit the lock button. What does it do? A little flash. Yeah, look at that LED light, man. That's huge. I love that thing. I know that sound. That sound. If you don't know what that sound is, I'll tell you in another portion of the vlog. All right, here's another neat little thing. If you order 2 roofs on your mid-engine Corvette, like this one has the painted and the smoke glass in the back, we still have the protector on there. And you get part of that package, a roof storage bag for the roof that you're not using on the car. Now here's a little thing in which they've made the C8 safer than the C7. Right on cue. What is that noise? They're forcing you to attach and latch your seatbelt. All right, here's one more little thing, and we kind of talked about this back in September when this car was at our dealership for the dealer tour. Still discovering, we're still discovering now that they're here, but really discovering and really digging around this car. We were told that there's a Zora Easter egg head on this car. Let me tell you something, guys. I spent, and they laughed at me, it had to be 45 minutes to an hour all over this car. I was looking in the LED patterns here in the taillights. I was looking up here in the mesh vent. I was looking over here and these dots on the windshield. I was looking through here, looking in there just somewhere. Where is it? Looking down on the grill. Couldn't find it. You guys already know where it's at, thanks to CorvetteBlogger.com. I think the car that was here was actually an EX VIN number, and why this was not on, and it's only on the driver's door right there. At least we got some representation for Zora. Made in America, baby, yeah. Oh yeah. It's the little things that make the difference, right guys? It's a lot of fun too. Right, now here's the view outside that rear vision camera mounted on top of the car. When you flip that mirror back, this is a Z51 car and you really can't see the spoiler back there, but you can see very well all behind you in your mid-engine Corvette. Trust me, everybody's gonna be following you guys. They're gonna be taking pictures of you guys. So get ready to feel like a rock star. Now, if you have a Corvette equipped with head-up display, I wanted to show you this little thing when you push the info button on the left-hand side of the dash and how the different screens change. Very subtle, but fun. All right, you guys missed that message. It said key was left in the vehicle. That's the point of this little thing. When you go to start it, if it's left in the vehicle, and I told you guys not to do that. Oh, look at that. The key is in sleep mode. Move the key. I guess it means just pick it up and move it. Hello. Now start the car. All right, Chuck, so in this segment, I've been telling the folks about some little things on the C8 Corvette, and there's a whole lot more to come. But let's show the folks the one little thing that none of you will ever get on your 2020 Corvette. The little surprise that you got inside. He didn't know I was going to do this. This is compliments of Bowling Green. You didn't know I was going to tell him, did you? So when Chuck opened up the rear engine compartment of a C8, getting ready to prep it, he's going to show us where it was.
Yeah. Popped the hood, and that was laying there. I'm like, I'm getting the stuff out.
What was laying there?
This.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
What's that little toy?
I'm getting the stuff out to do the prep.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And I'm like, what's that? I picked it up. Oh, looky there. It's a light. Thanks, guys.
It doesn't have two different settings on it, too?
Yeah. There's like a yellow light, and then there's a bright white light. I assume it's for looking at the paint.
Right, absolutely. So somebody doing their final prep before it left Bowling Green Assembly, that was... What are you doing?
I'm looking at the paint.
Chuck goes, man, I just love this light. A little thing that I'm sorry you guys are probably not going to get inside your C8 because... Oh, it actually bends too.
Oh.
BG, I'm sorry, we're not sending it back
Forward,
either.
back.
Oh, it goes forward and back. Oh my gosh, that is a cool toy.
Look here.
What's that?
Magnetic.
Oh, it's got a magnet too. Oh, look at that. Ah! You are just digging that.
Merry Christmas.
So there you go, guys. Just a few little things as we continue together discovering this all-new C8 2020 mid-engine Corvette. Now, tomorrow, it's Sunday, and our Coffee with Conti show, it's a C8 Sunday, arrivals and deliveries. I know a lot of you guys are sitting at home, nothing to do. This is going to be a long one. Get 2 cups of coffee for Coffee with Conti tomorrow. How you doing, bud? What do you think? Look at that smile. What do you think of Grandpa's new Corvette? You get to sit in it before he does. Isn't that neat? Why don't you push this real hard right here? Can you push that real hard? Push it real hard. Push one time. Oh, yeah, that a boy. Nice job.